Hello. Now, most people check where's my refund and think they're getting real information, but they're not. And if you're anything like me, when tax season comes, I turn into a whole different person. I check where's my refund tracker 50 million times a day, and it really doesn't give me any satisfaction. Okay? It just keeps saying processing or on the way, and you're still sitting there wondering what's actually going on. Okay? Well, I got a solution for that. Instead of guessing, let me show you the one place that actually tells you what's going on with your taxes: your account transcript. All right, let's get to it. Now, your transcripts are going to show you when your return is being processed, if there's any holds or issues, and when your refund is actually released. So first, let's talk about how we even get to that screen. You're going to go to the website, IRS.GOV, just like I've been doing, and you're going to sign in. Yeah. Boop, boop, boop. Do your thing. And once you're there, I'll show you what to do. You'll want to scroll down until you get to View Tax Records. You're going to click View Tax Records, and then on that page, you want to scroll down until you get to View Transcripts. On that page, this is the important part, because you will have 4 types of transcripts, but only one matters if you're tracking your refund. You'll want to choose Account Transcripts. These transcripts show your movement for filing your taxes. Do not choose Return Transcripts, as the returns only show what you filed. I'm going to choose English. When you read the record of account, you start with the tax period, which is the year that you filed your taxes for. And then you read downwards. And as we read downwards, we'll see the account balance. And anytime there is a minus sign, that means you've been credited. That means the IRS owes you. Anytime you see a plus sign, that means you owe the IRS. And if your accrued interest and penalties are 0, that's good. That means there are no extra charges. Then we're going to go down to where you see processing date. The processing date here shows April 3rd, 2023. This is where people usually get confused. The processing date is not your refund date. It's just an internal IRS date of when your return is scheduled in their system. Okay? Now, once we get down to transactions, this is the section that matters the most. This is where all the codes are, and the codes is where you would gain clarity on when you'll be expecting your refund back. So I'm just going to go over the codes that are shown here. You have code 150, which is tax return filed. That normally means your return has been accepted and processed. And next to it, you'll see your cycling date. The cycling code tells you what week and day your return processes. Most likely it ends in 05, which means it's going to be a Friday that the IRS updates your information. Okay? Now, under the code 150, you do have code 806. 806 is withholding credit. It shows the federal taxes that were already taken out of your paycheck, so your withholding amount. Okay? And then under the withholding, you have refund freeze, code 810. Refund freeze is exactly as it states. It does not automatically mean something bad. It just means the IRS paused the refund while they do an extra review. If you see this code, you will not see a refund date yet. Then we have code 766. 766 is credit to your account. And that's just receipt that a credit like child tax credit or other credits have been applied to your account. Now, the biggest code that you're looking for isn't here. It's 846, and it's normally down at the bottom there. Okay? 846 is the most important code. It means your refund has been issued. This is the only code that means your money has actually been released. If you do not see 846, your refund has not been sent yet. Once you see 846, the date next to it is your direct deposit date. And it'll normally be on this side here. We're under the dates here. Okay? Now, I'm going to go over the codes quickly here for you. 150 means accepted. 806 means withholding applied. 810 means paused. 766 means credit applied. Code 846 means paid. Processing date is not your refund date.